Welcome to Oldsmobs 455, working on the 442 frame. I basically have the top plane of it cleaned up. So all the weld spatter, fuzzy rust, and scale is off of it. I sort of wheel on the side, but it takes so much pressure with that angle grinder that I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this here forklift and tip this frame up on the side, hang it in the air, tip it upside down, do all that good stuff so I can be in position for doing this, because this is really labor intensive. I wanted it to be a little farther along before I took out the rear end, but I'm thinking I'm gonna take out the rear end right now. I can raise it up and like get that back piece there, this piece, all at chest height. If anybody else is crazy enough to do this, I would say get your frame media blasted. And I would do this here, except I already did these control arms. I don't want to get media all up in them bushings. I think I'm just going to paint all that with epoxy and then hope that I don't get a reaction when I paint this frame. To talk about welds too, I was thinking about maybe touching up some of these welds, but I was researching it, and I think these frames are tempered, so you don't want to be welding on them. That little bit I did there, that's not going to hurt nothing. You know, if you end up with a crack or something, then I guess you pretty much got no choice. I got that as straight as I dare, along with this one. I just used crescent wrenches and kind of bent it into submission. I was using a blocker for the step back here. I don't want to keep tweaking on it though, because I don't want to fatigue that metal. End up with a crack, that would really suck. But I'm pretty happy with it, both sides. Actually really happy with this whole frame in general. It's not all pitted. I mean, there's a little bit here and there, but for the most part, it's really nice. So with no further ado, I'm going to take out these 4 bolts and take out this rear end. One-handed even. So I probably spent maybe 6 hours working on this today, a few hours yesterday. So I'll probably come back at you when I got this frame all cleaned up and in primer, or maybe when I'm primering it. Hopefully that's sometime in the next few weeks. Look at that rear end. It's missing the vent tube, so I put some tape on there. Looks to me like these are also the original brake lines on here. And hopefully I can save all that and have perfectly bent brake lines when I put this all back together. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching.